Hello, my name is Erika Ortiz in this Stat 5 pronunciation practice. Okay, read it. And, and teachers, the present last on week, the teacher on smart or classes on the very many, they say that there must be more is than school. School says that there is not many, however, teachers do not believe that they say that school is spend the many of different things. Okay? Okay. Two, many pairs. And Kate, and cat, bat, white, wise, right, root, kite, night, take, stick, cow, coat, pin, bean, tin, tear, pure, tour, coal, teach, pitch, day, pay, dig, pick, deal, pure, duck, back, date, bait, tour, cool, taped, caped, tooth, coat, town, gown, tie, guy, tap, gap, tool, gold, table, gable, tan, fin, tile, file, tone, fan, thick, and big. And next, intonation, special question, falling in intonation. What's your name? What's your name? Where are you from? Where do where do you live? Where do you live? Okay. Reason. What's your name? Where do you live? What did this what did she say? Where have you been? Okay. General question, rising intonation. Have you read the book? Have you heard the news? Do you need some help? Do you have a pen? Okay. Reason, reason intonation. May I speak to a place? Could I speak to Michael, please? Can I borrow your dictionary, please? Alternative question, reason and falling intonation. When do you come back Fear the 6th? Do you read book in the morning or the night? When do you try to do it today or the tomorrow? That question, falling or rising and intonation. You don't know them, do you? They come found in half day. You were like, were you? It should that it is sure like. I, okay. Commands. For intonation. Give me, give me your hand. Do yourself. Ask him for help. Tell me to try. Reason intonation. Request. And closer to the windows, please. Close up the windows, please. Tell me your name, please. Ask him to call me, please. Exclamatory sentence following intonation. Following. It's good to see you. It's an excellent opportunity. I'm so happy. Direct address, rising intonation. Uh, El, can you help me? Lena, are you there? Tom, where are you? Okay. Raising intonation. About brick sheet and the mottos. We need paper, pens, and pencil. Response. I can, she is, he will, you should, I can't, he didn't. Thank you. Thank you.